Hello and welcome to Upcycling SOS. I got an issue with my rear view mirror now, so I'm going to have to. I bought a new one. What had happened? I came into the car and I saw that it was hanging. So the glue in the back has failed. So I have to get another one. I could have just put glue on there, but the outside of it's looking a bit tattered. So what I'll do is I'll show you it and let's go from there. Okay, so there it is. As you can see, I'm using trusted Gorilla Glue, and if I take that off, it starts snowing. There we go. And that's how it was when I got to the car. So, yeah, because you can see it's failed, so I need to take this off. They say whatever that's on there at the moment, leave it there. So that's the old one, and here's the new one. There you go. One thing I didn't actually do yet, which I should have done, was compare them. So old is on the front, bang on, same size. So I got the right one. Oh, and by the way, this is a genuine fake Volvo headlight. Okay, so to apply this on, make sure that you just brush it, make sure that there's no foreign debris on there, maybe, you know, old bits of whatever of glue that may have come off. It says just leave as is, just make sure that it's nice and smooth and clean. So give it a wipe. Oh, one thing I did forget to do. Right, so what I forgot to do was plug in my trusty tool, hairdryer. Says you need to warm this up and warm the back of the new rear view mirror, because the glue, it works a lot better when it's warm. I've seen people just do this one, but you need to do both. So we'll get it warm, not hot, but warm, and let's see how it goes from there. Apparently it makes it stick better, I don't know why. Let's put it on high heat. Oh, it's not even switched on, dumbass. You can tell I wasn't in the Boy Scouts, can't you? Okay, so let's get this warm. So I've taken the protective film off that. Let's warm this up. Make sure you put it the right way around. There we go. Perfect. Yeah. One thing you need to remember about that, once it's on, you can't readjust it, so you have to put it bang on first time. Or else the glue won't work as well, apparently. So you need to line it up as you go on and then hold it down for a bit. Didn't say how long to hold it down for. There's no instructions I got with this, so let's see how long it lasts. If it lasts more than a few years, cracking. If it lasts a week, I'll let you know. But at the moment, bang on. It's up without the use of Gorilla Tape. Right, that's that. So there we go. How to fix or replace a rear view mirror on a Volvo V40. However, I'm supposed that this would work on any car. So the only points really to take from this is make sure it's just smooth to the touch and nice and clean before you apply. Heat it up, hair dryer, heat gun, whatever you've got. It can't just be pointing at the sun. It's, you know, it doesn't get warm enough for that. So heat it up and then line it up before you attach it, because once it's on, it has to stay there. Now I was lucky, I got it on first time. So there we go with another video, short one, and to make life a bit easier for yourself, make sure you got everything ready. I didn't have the hairdryer plugged in, and it wasn't on the wall, so that's why it's SOS, because I need help. So there we go, another video. Like if you like the video, subscribe because I could do with some more, and comment. Good for the engagement, good for the algorithm. I don't know what impression click-through rate is, so maybe it does something with that as well, but that could go higher, whatever it is on the analytics. But this is all for fun, so you know, put something down there, put a joke down there. Okay, so there we go, another video, and I'll see you in the next one. So remember, recycle, reuse, upcycle. Bye for now.